Did you know that resting squats completely change the human body? So stay until the end to find out how this exercise can transform your body. And I'll tell you upfront that it brings a surprising benefit, capable of generating visible changes in just 2 weeks. Number 10. Improvement of hip mobility. When we talk about health and wellness, hip mobility is often overlooked, although it is essential for a wide range of functional movements in daily life. The sedentary lifestyle that many of us in the United States adopt ties us to long periods of inactivity, whether in front of the computer or on the couch. This lack of movement contributes to hip stiffness. However, resting squats force the hips to open and stretch, providing natural and healthy mobility that helps keep joints flexible and functional throughout the day. The more you practice, the more your hips become able to perform movements without restriction. This not only prevents future pain, but also improves the quality of life, especially if you are over 50. In the United States, a significant number of people over 50 complain of back pain, and this simple exercise can make a big difference. Number 9. Core strengthening. Many people in the United States are constantly looking for the ideal way to strengthen the core, the abdominal and lower back muscles, which are essential for improving posture, balance, and body stability. However, despite this demand, the fitness market in the country is saturated with expensive equipment, elaborate programs, and promises of miracle exercises targeting this area. What many don't realize is that something as simple as resting squats can strengthen the core extremely effectively, without the need to spend large amounts of money. Holding a deep squat requires the core to work actively to stabilize the body, preventing you from leaning forward or backward. This continuous effort involves a series of small muscle adjustments that work together to maintain balance. Over time, this practice not only strengthens the abdominal and lower back muscles, but also contributes to the endurance and coordination of the body's central region. A strengthened core offers numerous benefits. In addition to improving posture and balance, it helps reduce the risk of back injuries, which is especially important for those who spend long periods sitting in poor positions and end up developing lower back pain. Poor posture is a common issue, and strengthening the core is one of the most effective solutions to combat this discomfort and promote a healthier life. Moreover, a strong core is essential for various physical activities, from more intense exercises to daily tasks like lifting heavy objects or walking long distances. Incorporating resting squats into your routine can yield noticeable results in a short time, improving both physical conditioning and overall well-being. Number 8. Strengthening and flexibility of the ankles. In the United States, many common injuries, especially among older people, are associated with a lack of ankle mobility. In many cases, this part of the body doesn't receive proper attention until a problem arises, such as a sprain, chronic pain, or something more serious. However, it's important to care for this area before any injury occurs, and resting squats are an extremely effective way to prevent these problems. Resting squats work on both strengthening and flexibility of the ankles. By holding this position for prolonged periods, you gradually increase the stretch of the muscles and tendons around the ankle, significantly improving mobility and joint stability. Over time, this consistent practice helps prevent injuries and promotes more efficient and safer movement in daily activities such as walking, running, and climbing stairs. Additionally, strengthening and improving ankle flexibility not only enhances your daily quality of life, but also reduces the risk of falls and accidents, which are particularly dangerous for older individuals. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your ankle health and ensure safer movement, incorporating resting squats into your routine can yield surprising results. Do this exercise regularly and observe the positive changes in your body. Your ankles will become stronger, more flexible, and better prepared to handle the challenges of daily activities, while also contributing to a more stable and balanced posture. Number 7. Improved posture. We live in a society where leaning forward, whether in front of a computer screen, on a phone, or behind the wheel, has practically become the norm. This type of posture, quite common among Americans, contributes to an epidemic of spinal problems and poor posture, leading to increasingly serious complications, especially in older people. Resting squats, however, offer a unique opportunity to counteract the effects of this poor posture. When you squat, the spine naturally aligns, promoting a more upright and healthy posture, which helps prevent more serious problems in the future. Regular practice of this exercise not only strengthens the muscles responsible for keeping the spine in the correct position, but also re-educates the body to adopt proper positioning. By practicing resting squats frequently, you end up training your body to maintain this correct posture in other daily activities, such as walking, sitting, or even standing up. This is particularly beneficial for those who spend many hours in harmful positions, such as office workers or those who drive for long periods. For these reasons, many physical therapists and personal trainers in the United States are recommending this movement as part of rehabilitation and injury prevention programs. Incorporating resting squats into your routine can be a simple and effective way to improve posture, while also relieving accumulated tension in the spine. Before we continue, I'd like to ask you to subscribe by clicking the button below the video. This simple gesture helps us a lot, and also leave a like on the video. Thank you very much. Number 6. Improved digestion. In the United States, digestive problems like constipation and irritable bowel syndrome are quite common, and much of this is due to a sedentary lifestyle and a diet rich in ultra-processed foods. What many people don't know is that resting squats can, surprisingly, help improve digestion and bowel function. In cultures where squatting is a common posture, whether for eating or for physiological needs, there is a noticeably lower incidence of certain digestive problems. This happens because the squatting position places the intestines in a more natural alignment, facilitating the movement of waste through the digestive tract. This alignment supports the function of the muscles responsible for elimination, which can relieve constipation and improve overall digestive health. Although the use of chairs is nearly ubiquitous in the United States, there is a growing interest in adopting more natural positions, such as squatting, in some daily practices. This change, in addition to promoting digestive health, can also help improve posture, as squatting aligns the spine in a more ergonomic and functional way. Incorporating resting squats into your routine, whether as part of exercises or during rest periods, can bring benefits not only for your digestive system, but also for your overall well-being. Improved digestion and relief from gastrointestinal discomfort contribute to a healthier and more balanced life. Number 5. Reducing joint strain. As the years go by, the joints, especially the knees, hips, and ankles, tend to wear out. This is one of the main reasons why many Americans face mobility issues and joint pain as they age. However, what many people don't know is that resting squats can help relieve some of the pressure on the joints. When squatting, body weight is distributed more evenly among the joints and muscles, avoiding overload in specific areas. Unlike sitting in a chair, where the weight is poorly distributed, in resting squats, the load is shared in a balanced way. This can prevent premature joint wear and help keep them healthier for longer. For this reason, more and more orthopedic specialists and physical therapists in the United States are recommending this movement as part of a preventive care routine against joint diseases and injuries. Number 4. Improved blood circulation. Spending long periods sitting, as many Americans do, can lead to circulation problems, especially in the legs. Poor circulation can cause swelling, varicose veins, and, in more severe cases, deep vein thrombosis. Resting squats, however, can significantly improve blood flow. When squatting, you relieve the pressure on the veins and arteries in the legs, allowing blood to flow more freely. This prevents blood pooling and improves tissue oxygenation, which can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. In a country like the United States, where cardiovascular diseases are one of the leading causes of death, this simple practice can significantly contribute to heart and vein health. Number 3. Developing a better mind-body connection. Many Americans are looking for ways to improve their mental health, and practices like yoga and meditation have grown in popularity. However, resting squats can also help develop a better mind-body connection. Maintaining this position requires attention and body awareness, promoting a form of mindfulness. Deep breathing and focusing on posture during squatting help create a state of presence, which can reduce stress and increase the sense of well-being. Additionally, this mindful practice improves coordination and helps prevent injuries by teaching you to pay more attention to the signals your body sends. For Americans who often live under high levels of stress at work and home, this mind-body connection can be a valuable tool for improving quality of life. If you're facing these challenges, incorporating resting squats into your routine can make a big difference. Number 2. Stress relief. Stress is one of the biggest concerns for many Americans, especially those aged 50 and over. Chronic stress can affect not only mental health, but also physical health, contributing to conditions like hypertension, insomnia, and even serious heart diseases. Resting squats can be a surprisingly effective tool for relieving stress. When you squat and adopt a more natural posture, your body automatically starts to relax. This position encourages deep rhythmic breathing, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for calming the body and reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. For many people aged 50 and over in the United States, this practice can be incorporated into their daily routine as a form of active meditation, providing both physical and mental relief from the tensions accumulated throughout the day. Number 1. Increased muscle endurance. Although many do not associate resting squats with resistance training, this practice can effectively increase muscle strength. As we age, we lose muscle mass, making simple daily tasks more difficult. Holding a deep squat for several minutes without the support of a chair challenges the leg muscles, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves to work continuously to maintain balance. Additionally, the core is also engaged to prevent you from falling forward or backward. Over time, this constant effort improves muscle endurance, making daily activities like climbing stairs or carrying bags easier. Regular practice of this simple exercise can lead to a significant improvement in muscle strength and body stability. So tell me, do you already do this exercise? Before you go, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content. And click on the video that's appearing on your screen so we can continue our conversation. I'll see you there.